welcome to My Mini Addiction. I make and paint miniatures and terrain for tabletop gaming. And if you've been a follower of my channel for a while, you've probably been wondering, where are my videos? I have been pretty good about posting at least one video every week. And last week I did film something, but I decided not to post it. My yeah, I'm usually really busy during the summer, and it seems like my busy day job has kind of gotten busy a little earlier than normal, and I'm already putting in 6 days a week, which really cuts into my painting time. And the video I made last week was just kind of walking through, look at all my unfinished projects because I haven't had time to do it. And I'm like, you guys don't want to see that. You don't want to see me whining about, oh, I don't have time to do this and look at all this stuff. Yeah, so I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to post. I'm not going to post something. You guys can just go a week without a video. I have been painting, though, these tiny, tiny ships, which are, it's fun, but man, is that tedious. So I will talk more when I get the fleet of ships done. So I've been painting, but it's little boats. And yeah, it's been taking a lot of time. So what I decided to do in this video is I have tons of stuff that I made before I even started this channel. And one of those things is my fishing village. I have not set up the whole thing and showed you guys it. So what I'm going to do, I've got some time today. I'm going to bring out the fishing village. I'm going to set the whole thing up, and I'm just going to take some video going through it, and you guys can kind of check it out. So this was something that I actually 3D printed back starting in 2020. So it's been a little while. The STLs are by Fabio. He makes these fabulous uh, like cities and things. I've got a whole bunch of his stuff that I still need to make, but the fishing village was the very first thing that I got from him, and I had a lot of fun making it. So let me go set that up, and then you guys can kind of take a tour of everything. I'll throw some minis in there so you can kind of get an idea for this whole fishing village setting. So hope you enjoy.